Here's how to swap out the arm with one of the windshield phone extensions. To do this, remove knob B from the swivel section on the rear of the phone holder. Next, while securing the bolt head on the opposite side, remove knob E and the bolt from the hinge of the suction cup base. Then spread the hinge section and remove the arm. Choose the arm length you need and position the bowl-like swivel section of the arm against the holder. Then add and tighten knob B until secure. Now, slide the opposite end of the arm into the suction cup base, spreading the hinge to fit the arm. Then slide the bolt into the hinge. While holding the bolt head, add knob E and tighten until secure. Congratulations! You have replaced the arm on the windshield phone and it's ready to be mounted.